Hi everyone, welcome to Wednesdays at Lorts. I know it's been a while, so to refresh your memory, Wednesdays at Lorts is our video blog coming to you direct from our 150,000 square foot manufacturing facility here locally in Goodyear, Arizona, where our dedicated craftsmen and women produce what we believe to be the finest furniture in the industry. Originally, Wednesdays at Lorts was created to keep in contact with interior designers and specifiers during a time when furniture markets weren't being held and travel was pretty much non-existent. Well, thankfully, we're pretty well past that now. Things are settling back to normal, but we realize what a great tool this can be, so we will continue on. We'll show you new product, familiarize you with best sellers, show you our unbelievably cool manufacturing facility, and you might even get to meet some of our dedicated employees as well. Since we've been together, we have added a few new machines. We've started a whole new Cabinetry Division that I'm very excited to tell you about in the weeks to come. And we're still one of the few manufacturers in the country that can turn around a made-to-order, made in the USA piece of heirloom quality furniture in 8 to 10 weeks, which is pretty unheard of these days. Made to order. Let's talk about that for a minute. Every single piece of furniture that comes from our factory is made to order, specifically for you. We don't keep stock of pre-made furniture. We don't pull it from a dingy warehouse where it's been sitting in the elements for who knows how long. What we do is process your order, we build it, we distress it according to your specifications, we finish it with one of our industry-leading finishes, we apply the lacquer sheen of your choice, then we carefully pack it and send it to you for your room. Made to order in 8 to 10 weeks. How great is that? To get started, visit our website, scroll to the bottom of the homepage, click on the Made in the USA link, and you'll find an array of items that we can produce for you in 8 to 10 weeks or less. Welcome back to Wednesdays at Lorts. Glad you're here. Looking forward to seeing you again next time.